Welcome, Sunny. I'm your coach, Sam, and we have a 15-minute treadmill interval run right here and right now. This run is going to be great because with each interval, they're gonna get a little bit shorter and we're gonna get a little bit or maybe a lot bit faster. So if you like speed, stick with me and let's get going. Hey Sunny, welcome to our 15-minute treadmill interval run. This run is awesome. A lot is going to happen in these 15 minutes. So right now we are just going to hit the start button and get going. If you prefer to wear your safety clip, you may do so right now. And now we only have a 30-second walk here just to get ourselves ready to run. So as you walk, I want you to just let go of what happened before here. Let go of what you're about to do and focus just on these next 15 minutes. You get to enjoy these. These are yours. One nice deep breath in. And as we breathe it out, let's add speed. Just coming to a jog. Just a chill jog. Any pace that feels like a jog to you, that's good for me. Now, this and so much other content is available on our YouTube page, so please be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell to stay up to date with all of our latest. You wouldn't want to miss out. Now here, as we're jogging, just at a nice chill pace, we're gonna add a little incline. Let's go to 2%. So today, in our 15 minutes of work, our intervals are going to start at 90 seconds in duration, and they're going to get shorter and shorter until we're at 30-second intervals going super fast. That's it. We'll add a little more incline here. Let's go up to 4. There we go. We're just kind of marching up a hill right now. Let's add a little speed. So we'll still be in a jog. I know we're still at 4% incline, but we're at a faster jog. We're gonna pick our knees up a little bit higher because the ground is up a little bit higher in front of us. This shouldn't feel like super easy right now. You should feel like you're working, but you should still feel in a warm-up zone. That's it. We're gonna hold this just a little bit longer. Another 5 seconds and we'll take our incline down to 3. There we go. Oops. Down to 3. Now you'll notice as we go up an incline, your legs start to burn a little. You are working those muscles. That's our resistance. Incline is resistance on a treadmill. Down to 2%. That's it. Let's add a little more speed. We have just about 45 seconds left in our warm-up, and then we'll walk. There we go. So maybe your jog is becoming more of an easy run. I'm gonna take my incline all the way down to 0 now. Add a little speed. And this is our last 20 seconds to really get our body warm. Our first interval is 90 seconds long, but it's our slowest one. So we still have an opportunity to get ready for speed as we go through at our work today. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's walk. 0% incline. Any walking pace is good by me. Here's what happens. First run, 90 seconds long. We are going to choose a pace that makes that 90 seconds feel like work, but we don't want to be dying at the end. We're kind of anti-dying during workouts here. Here's the trick. 5% incline. What do you say we just put it on now? We're at an easy walk, no problem. 5% incline. As our intervals get shorter today, our inclines go down. This is the only time we see 5% incline. Okay. We're ready to do this, right? So knowing we're gonna be at 5% for this 90 seconds sort of changes the game on which speed we choose. Pick a speed that feels like just in the run category, not quite a jog, but just in the run. We'll start in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Pick up those knees. When we go up a hill like this, we have to be landing a little bit more on our toes. It's just the mechanics of a hill. That's it. Our arms work for us quite a bit when we go uphill. As we drive our right elbow back, our left leg and propels forward. So really rely on that arm drive to help get you there. Now, I would say no one likes a hill, but that's not true. I like a hill. I kind of forced myself to like them. And then it served me very well. Because when I encounter a hill, I'm not defeated. I'm challenged, I'm encouraged. I look forward to tackling it. Mindset is everything, Sunny. You can choose how you look at an obstacle. You can choose to embrace it. That's it. Getting uncomfortable, that's inevitable. Suffering though, that's a choice. You can choose to thrive. 10 seconds, then we walk. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, walk. You can take your incline down. Our next interval is at 4%, so you could go there, which is what I'm gonna do. Or you could even go down to 0% and then bring it back up. That's it, 75 seconds to rest. Catch your breath. Inclines, so efficient. I worked harder in that interval simply due to the incline. My muscles worked harder, my heart worked harder. Here, I got mentally tougher. Just because of that incline. So we have 30 seconds until our next one. Now this interval will be done at 4%. It's 75 seconds long. And so we're gonna add a little bit of speed. It's a little shorter, it's a little flatter. We get to go a little faster. So we have 15 seconds until we start. If you're not at 4%, get there. 7 seconds. Now 5, let's add our speed. We start in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 75 seconds, 4%. Now, not only is this interval shorter and a little less steep, but it's not our first interval. And it really has that going for it. I think the first interval tends to feel not good, no matter what I'm doing. The second interval, yeah, that's a good one. The body is ready, but not exhausted. This is a good one. All right, we're doing great here. 30 seconds. 30 seconds to go. If you like your speed, keep it. If you don't like it, change it. That's it. Remember to use those arms. Be intentional. March your way up this hill, 15 seconds. I'm feeling the burn. We got this, team. 4, 3, 2, 1, walk. As slow as you want. Really embrace your recovery. Walk slow. I'm going down to 3%. Again, you have the option to go to 0 if you want. These recoveries are all yours. Will not boss you around in the recoveries. I like to save the bossing around for the work part. In 30 seconds, yeah, just 30 seconds. It was a 60-second rest, but we've already eaten into that. And now, 24 seconds. We have a 60-second interval at 3%. 3%, it's like a little headwind. It's not bad. 10 seconds until we start. Just a 60-second interval, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So let's engage our core. Pull your belly button back to your spine. That's right. Shoulders are down. Relaxed, not shrugged up by your ears. Knees are driving forward in front of you. We're picking up our feet. We're not shuffling. That's it. Okay, 30 seconds to go. This one should feel pretty good too. 3%. Still friendly. 60 seconds, very friendly. And we're not at top speed. 10 seconds. That's it. 3, 2, 1, walk. All right, 2%. Just go there, don't even go to 0. I told you I wouldn't boss you around on the recoveries. I honestly just lied. I am gonna boss you around on your recoveries, 2%. You'll be mad at me. In fact, write it in the comments. I can take it. No, I can be a bully on the treadmill. Now, we only have 15 seconds left of this recovery before a 45-second 2% interval. A little faster still. 5 seconds. So recoveries are getting shorter with the shortening intervals. Here we go. 2%'s nice. That's real nice. So now instead of feeling the burn in my legs, I'm feeling the quickness in my legs. That quick foot turnover because I'm taking my treadmill faster. 20 seconds. How we doing? I know you're good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slow it down. 1%. Y'all, this is a 30-second recovery. That's not cool. There's nothing cool about a 30-second recovery. Sorry, but it's also a 30-second interval at 1%. We'll be okay. We tackle this together. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Time to add on your speed. It's just 1%. 3, 2, 1. It's 30 seconds here. What do you got? What do you got? What kind of runner are you? What kind of mental athlete are you? Who are you showing up for today? It better not be me. Show up for you. Make this count for you. 10 more seconds. Those feet are moving. 3, 2, 1. Take it down to a walk. Now look, 30 seconds of recovery. One more 30-second interval. But, and the ball is in your court. You choose your incline. You know I'm going to 5. We didn't even need to talk about that, right? You choose your incline though. Just because I'm showing off at 5 doesn't mean you have to, but you can. Let's go, 5 seconds. Last one, 3, 2, 1. I'm choosing the same pace. In fact, I accidentally hit an extra 0.2 and I'm gonna leave it because I know I can. I want to. Stay with me, 15. This is it. 10 more seconds and we recover for good. Pick up those knees. 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Sad but true, it's over. Oh, we're taking that incline down. It can go. Now look back, not physically, back in your head to what you just did. Did you try something new? Did you achieve something that you kind of didn't want to, but you kind of did, so you tried it and you succeeded? I bet you did. And if you didn't, you come back in a few days' time and you do this again. And you tackle that thing you weren't quite sure was yours. And you take it. I am so proud of you. So proud to be running with you. Sunny, I just love this family. Thank you so much for joining me. We need a much longer cool down, which is why we have those available for you in so many different formats, plus stretches too. Hop in on one of those and I'll see you soon.
Hey everyone, if you've enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There you'll find many more classes from me. I teach trampoline cardio, dance cardio, cardio kickboxing, plus many more from all the SunnyFit trainers. If you haven't yet downloaded the SunnyFit app, click the link in the description below and we'll see you there.